how to turn on or turn off enhanced visual search in photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, scroll down, then tap on Photos. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Enhance Visual Search. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now the Enhance Visual Search in Photos on iPhone leverages advanced machine learning and AI to analyze the content of your images. It recognizes object scenes, landmarks, text, and even certain activities, allowing you to search your photo library using descriptive terms rather than relying solely on metadata or menu tagging. This results in more accurate and intuitive search result, making it easier to locate specific photos and memories. So for example, if I tap on the search button, I can type in orange, and here it shows images of oranges. So using a visual search, it will analyze the image and it will automatically detect object within the image and then find the photos for you. And that's it. So here I can try to look for pen, and there it is, pens. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.